Okay, so the idea of using the snowflake, of course, if you use it with a finer yarn, it will be way smaller, so you can have it to your Christmas tree or as a garland on the wall, like a decoration in the Christmas time. Or you can use this one just like that with the seam yarn and use it as a coaster. Just add like something above it, just like that. And it will be very nice because it's a flat thing. Adding your cup above it will be so beautiful, and I'm gonna show you in a minute how it's gonna look like when you have a cup of tea or something, like a mug above it. It looks so beautiful. Okay, so I wanted to show you how it looks as a coaster for Christmas. So I have my beautiful Christmas mug here. This is Santa. So as you can see, it really matches the environment very well. So I have it right here, and I have my Santa cup just above it. It looks so beautiful, right? So this is how it looks as a coaster, and I'm gonna show you from above. Okay, the mug is okay, it's stained from inside, but anyway, this is how it looks like. I really hope you like it, and yeah, it's really beautiful. You can connect the ends like these two ends together and make a scarf, or just if you have it one layer, or you can have it as like a multiple kind of okay, I'm gonna try to add something more. I only have 3, but you can add many of them to make kind of like a table mat or something. So you can do a lot of things with this snowflake. You can make it this size, and as I told you before, you can make a bigger one with bigger yarn, a bigger hook, and it's really nice and really beautiful. It looks so complicated, but actually the most complicated part is the last row, and as I explained it, I really hope it was so easy for you to understand, and explain everything in details. So if you need anything, just ask me in the comments or send me a message. I'll be so happy. If there is anything is not obvious or you need more explanation, I'm gonna add more videos or answer your question to make everything about this project clear. But so far, as it's like a beginner project for Christmas or for any time of the year, like it's a winter time, so the snowflake is basically it's I love it. I love snowflakes, so I really hope you like this course. And yeah, if you need anything, just ask me, and I'll be so happy to answer your comments and your questions. So yeah, thank you so much for joining me in this course, and if you like it, I can do more courses like this. It's my first one, so it's kind of like a basic one, so I really hope you like it. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me, and I love you so much. Thank you, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I hope you the best of the best. Bye.